Today's Thursday, October 21st. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado, color code number 36 from GM for 1976 in Firethorn red. This is the original vintage period correct number 36 Firethorn red. This is for my friend Eric in Blandford, Ohio. And the units have been completely hand block sanded and covered with slick sand as a base primer, hand blocked again, and then sprayed with the original number 36 Firethorn red for 1976 GM Cadillac Eldorado. So the units are going to be going out to Eric as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. Here we have the back underside, and here we have the top sides. Okay, we'll take a close look at these units. And these are the filler extension panels. This is the trunk filler, trunk to rear bumper filler panel for the brake tail light in this cavity, the rear quarter panel fender extensions, and the front fender nose filler extensions. Okay, number 36, Firethorn red for my friend Eric in Milford, Hartman, Ohio. Today is Thursday, October 21st. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the instrument clusters, the power seat mechanisms, and other critical, hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Thursday, October 21st. Thank you very kindly.